In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Cobra Pose. Welcome to my channel. I'm May and this is Yoga with May. So let's get to our mats. And little Oreo is here with us in the corner. So we're going to begin from our 4-point base, right hand, left hand, finding our alignment in our spine through our 4-point base or tabletop position. And what we're going to do is we're going to take one hand, one step forward with our hands. We're going to shift our weight forward so that we are aligning our knees and our shoulders together. And I know this is already activating the abdominal cores, but we're not going to stay for too long. You're going to bend into your elbows and bring yourself down to the floor. So I know that for a lot of people, laying on your belly, laying prone is not a very comfortable position, but very beneficial. So try to lay for short periods of time and then try to extend that. So we're going to point the toes facing down. You're going to bring your hands underneath your shoulders, and the elbows are like chicken wings that we're going to just tuck in. So you're going to squeeze your shoulders in and you're going to pull your shoulders away from your ears. So you've got lots of space around the neck. So the shoulders are squeezing down towards the hips and you're squeezing your elbows in. Fingers are spread wide and you're going to use the muscles of your upper back to lift you instead of your hands. So you're going to press into the upper back, really squeezing into the muscles of the back, and you want to push up as much as possible so that your belly button is off the floor. You're going to take an inhale here, look forward, and exhale, come down. We're going to do a few rounds of Cobra Pose. So you're going to try not to use too much of your hands. First, try to lift up with as much effort in your back. This is helping to counter bad posture, which we all need to correct from time to time, sitting at our desk. And it's also helping to massage the abdominal muscles. So with your neck elongated, gazing at the floor, take a deep breath as you rise up. And exhale, come back down. So this pose helps to encourage strength in self, self-assurance, self-confidence, and exhale. It helps to let go of fear and create a strong mind. Inhale, acceptance, exhale, fear. We'll do that affirmation again. I inhale acceptance and I exhale fear. This pose helps to strengthen the lower back, middle back, and it helps to massage the spinal nerve through the flexion. We'll do one more. I inhale self-assurance and strength, confidence, and I exhale, I let go fear and self-doubt. And then you can just bring your hands on top of each other and you can gently rest your forehead down. Just surrendering. You can bring your hands back underneath your shoulders. You can press yourself up and come back into your tabletop position. I love Cobra Pose because it is extremely energizing. This is a back bend. So any back bend, anything that opens up the chest and the heart is going to bring a lot of blood and oxygen into the digestive system, and it really helps to elevate your mood. So I hope that you will take Cobra Pose as one of your main poses to help build confidence within yourself, to strengthen that posture. I mean, if you think about a cobra, he is confident, his chest is puffed out, his heart is open, and he's ready to receive the world. So I hope that you have learned something here in this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.